Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Conversation Practice. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Robert. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today we have a super useful topic for you. We're going to talk about the word take.
Yes, take is everywhere in English. We use it all the time in daily life.
You'll hear it at work, at home, at the store, everywhere. So let's learn together.
Are you ready? Let's start with a conversation. Listen carefully.
Good morning, Robert. How are you today?
Good morning, Chloe. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Hey, do you want to take a walk with me after work?
A walk? That sounds nice. Where do you want to go?
Let's take a walk in the park. The weather's beautiful today.
Perfect. What time should we go?
How about 6 o'clock? It won't take long, maybe 30 minutes.
Sounds good. Oh, I need to take my dog with me. Is that okay?
Of course, I love dogs. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. He loves to take walks in the park.
Awesome! By the way, did you take your medicine this morning?
Oh, I forgot. Thanks for reminding me. I need to take it now.
No problem. It's important to take your medicine on time.
You're right. I'll take it with some water.
Good. So, are you taking the bus to work today?
No, I'm going to take my car. The bus takes too much time.
I understand. It takes me 45 minutes by bus.
Really? My car only takes 15 minutes.
Lucky you. Hey, can I take a picture of us in the park later?
Sure, I love taking pictures. Do you have a camera?
No, I'll just take photos with my phone.
That works. Phone cameras are really good now.
Yeah. Oh, I also need to take my sister to the airport tomorrow.
What time is her flight?
It's at 10 in the morning, so I need to take her at 8.
That's early. Will you take a taxi or drive?
I'll drive. It's easier and it doesn't take much gas.
Smart choice. Does your sister take trips often?
Yes, she takes business trips every month.
Wow. Where is she going this time?
She's taking a flight to New York. She has meetings there.
New York is nice. Will she take time to see the city?
Maybe, but her schedule takes up most of her time.
That's too bad. She should take a break and relax.
I agree. Everyone needs to take breaks.
Speaking of breaks, let's take a coffee break now.
Great idea. Do you want to take the stairs or the elevator?
Let's take the elevator. I'm a bit tired today.
Me too. The stairs take too much energy.
Exactly. Oh, did you take notes in the meeting yesterday?
Yes, I always take notes. It helps me remember everything.
Good. Can I take a look at your notes later?
Of course. I'll take them out and show you.
Thanks. You know, I really need to take better notes.
It's a good habit. Just take your time and write the important things.
You're right. I'll take your advice.
Wonderful. Oh, do you need to take any classes this semester?
Yes, I'm taking an English class and a computer class.
Nice. How long does each class take?
The English class takes 2 hours and the computer class takes 1 hour.
That's not too bad. Do you take tests in those classes?
Yes, we take tests every 2 weeks.
That's a lot. Do you take study breaks when you prepare?
Sometimes, but I should take more breaks. I get tired.
Definitely take breaks. Your brain needs rest.
Good point. Hey, are you going to take a vacation this year?
Yes, I'm going to take a vacation in July.
Where will you go?
I want to take a trip to California. I love the beaches there.
That sounds amazing. How long will you take off from work?
I'll take 2 weeks off. I need a good rest.
2 weeks is perfect. Will you take your family with you?
Yes, I'm taking my parents. They need a vacation too.
That's so nice. You're a good daughter.
Thanks. What about you? Do you want to take a trip somewhere?
Maybe. I want to take some time to think about it.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Thanks. Oh, it's almost lunchtime. Do you want to take lunch together?
Sure. Where should we go?
Let's take the subway to that new restaurant downtown.
Good idea. How long does the subway take?
It only takes 10 minutes, very quick.
Perfect. I'll take my bag and meet you at the door.
Okay, don't forget to take your phone.
I won't. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem. Let's go.
Wait, I need to take this call first. It's my mum.
No worries. Take your time. I'll wait here.
Thanks. This won't take long, I promise.
It's okay. Take as long as you need.
You're so patient. Okay, I'm done now. Let's go.
Great. I'm getting hungry. This walk will take about 5 minutes.
That's fine. Hey, do you always take the same route to the restaurant?
Usually, yes, but today let's take a different way.
Sounds fun. I like to take new paths sometimes.
Me too. It makes things more interesting.
Absolutely. Oh, I almost forgot. Can you take this book to Sarah tomorrow?
Sure, I'll take it to her in the morning.
Thank you so much. She really needs it for her class.
No problem. I'm happy to help. Do you take books from the library often?
Yes, I take books every week. I love reading.
That's great. Reading takes time, but it's worth it.
Definitely. It helps me take my mind off stress.
That's a healthy way to relax. I should take up reading too.
You should. Just take it slow and find books you enjoy.
I will. Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime. Oh, look, we're here. That didn't take long at all.
You're right. Now let's go inside and take a seat.
Perfect. I can't wait to take a bite of their famous pasta.
Me too. Let's enjoy our lunch.
Okay, everyone, that was our conversation. Now let's talk about take.
Yes, did you notice how many times we used take?
A lot. Take has many different meanings in English.
Let's look at some examples from our conversation.
First, we use take for movement, like take a walk or take a trip.
Right. I want to take a walk in the park. This means to go for a walk.
We also say take a bus, take a car, or take the subway.
Yes, this means to use that transportation. I'm taking the bus today.
Next, take can mean time. It takes 10 minutes, or the class takes 2 hours.
Exactly. How long does it take? This asks about time needed.
We also use take with medicine, food, or drinks. Take your medicine or take a bite.
Good point. I need to take my medicine means to consume it.
Another use is take a picture or take a photo.
Yes, this means to make a photograph. Let's take a picture together.
We can also take notes in class or meetings.
Right. I always take notes means to write down information.
Take a break is very common too. It means to rest for a short time.
Yes, let's take a coffee break. Everyone needs breaks.
We also say take a test or take a class.
Exactly. I'm taking an English class means I'm studying in that class.
Take time means to use time for something. Take your time means don't hurry.
Good explanation. Take your time and think about it.
We can also take advice, take a call, or take a look.
Yes. Can I take a look means can I see it?
Take off from work means to have time away from work.
Right. I'm taking 2 weeks off means vacation time.
One more. Take up means to start a new hobby or activity.
Yes. I want to take up reading means to start reading as a hobby.
As you can see, take is very useful.
Practice using take in different situations every day.
Listen to how native speakers use it in real conversations.
And don't be afraid to try it yourself.
Great job today, everyone. You learned so much about take.
Now it's your turn to practice. Try shadowing our conversation.
Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time as us.
This helps your pronunciation and fluency. It really works.
Listen to this podcast again and again. Repeat after us.
Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get.
And remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Don't give up. Take small steps every day.
Now, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up.
Yes, please like this video. It helps us a lot.
And leave a comment below. Tell us how you use take in your daily life.
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more lessons like this.
We post new videos every week with practical English conversations.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Help them improve too. Learning together is more fun.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We appreciate you taking the time to learn with us.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up.
We believe in you. You can do this.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and good luck with your English.
Goodbye and take care, everyone.